job, Seal. It's all right, Seal, let's go. By yourself, right. Jamal, you gotta help him. Hey, ball's going to the corner.
Watch Noah. Jamal, watch Noah. Watch him. Here he goes.
Offensive, there we go. Good job. Hey, good job, Sahil. Get your man. Jamal, don't jump there. Stay down on the ground. Pellick, give it up. Go, Matthew, go. Swing the ball! Pellick, you got to bounce past that. Get the ball, Pellick, get the ball! Box! Oh, come on, man. You got to make that, dude. Three seconds. Go down. Right. Stay down. Hands up, Matthew. You gotta be aggressive, Matthew. Stay on, Pellick. Go all the way. Here we go. You got one, Ryan. Good job, Pellick. Pick. Over it. Stay on him. There you go. Slide. Oh. Get the ball. Get the ball. Pick left, left, left.
Get up.
Wait.
There you go. There you go. White ball. Lay down. Lay down.
Go, 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 go.
Hey, get out. Get out. Get out.
Pick right, pick right, pick right. Get over it, get over it. Good job, Javon. Hey, Javon, you got to put a booty on him, push him out of there.
Push him out. Seal, you all right? Jamal, you okay?
Box him out, Sahil. Good shot. Good shot, Javon. Let's go, defense. Left, left, left. Hey, Javon. Hey, the middle of the paint's wide open, Javon. Box him out, Jamal. Box him out. Gotta move your feet. By yourself, by yourself. Right, right. Get the ball, Ryan, right there. Pick right, right. Hey, Jamal. Is that guy stronger than you? Then box him out. Hey, Ryan, play in front of Jake when he comes down there. White ball.
need energy.
Play in front of him, Ryan. Play in front of him. Play in front of him, Ryan. Cut him off. Good job, Sahil.
Go, Matthew, go, go, go!
You gotta follow your shot, Matthew. You can't just stand there and watch it. You gotta follow it. Stay on him, Javon. Stay on him. Hands up, hands up. Go, go, go. Get in the corner, Ryan. Hey, what? Follow your shot, Matthew. Hey, he can shoot. Javon, you gotta be on him. Go to the basket, Matthew. Ryan, shoot that. Shoot it. Stay in front of him, Ryan. Stay in front of him.
He's moving, he's moving.
Go! Stop the ball, Pellick, stop the ball! Pellick, you gotta take a charge!
Make your shots, man.
Matthew, get him! Hey, you gotta put your hands up! And one! Hey, turn! Step up, Matthew! Step up! Go! Foul line! Stay on, Sahil, get that ball! Go! Go, Matthew! Come on, dude. You gotta follow your shot. Go, who's got who? Hey, get the ball, get the ball! 3 seconds. Stay on him, stay on him.
Thank you.
Ronaldo, pizza. Ronaldo, go top. Hold out,
Matthew, move! There we go. All right, Renato, foul line. There you go. Javon, where you at?
Get up, Matthew.
All the way, dude. Hey, Javon, get Seth. Javon, get him. Pick. Stay on him, Pelic. Stay on him. Move your feet. Go. By yourself.
Boys, we're gonna get out of the last goal. 17. Send the ball back.
Turn around. Hey, Matthew, you got to call that pick out for him. Help him out. Get in there. Good shot, Renato. Hey, call out the picks. Pick. By yourself. Right. Matthew, you're watching. You're not rebounding. Oh. Get him, Javon. Get him. Move your feet. Help him. Hands up. Matthew, you got to play defense. Not one whatsoever. No one wants to stand on the three-point line. Not going to bang. Move your feet, Javon, move your feet. Move them, right. Hands up.
Don't jump, Javon.
Hey, you got to move your feet. Matthew, you got to rebound. Get the ball. Step in front.
Get up.
Good call.
I don't care about the complaints. I want rebounds. Everybody gets it.
Hey.
What? Javon here.
Get your man. Box him out. Swing it. Attack. There we go. Hey, way to be aggressive, Javon. Now guard him. Left.
Stay right there. That's all right. Stay right there. Don't stop.
He's going to drive. Hey,
No rebound.
get in front of him, Jamal. Get in front of him.
Javon, come on back in the game.
Go. End of the half, 20-31, end of the half. Left. Hands up. Go, Javon, go! Swing it. Ah.
Follow your shot. Up top.
Swing it, swing it, swing it. There you go. You got left, you're by yourself. Stay down, Jamal. Go, give it up, give it up, give it up.
Look at me. Watch the ball. Watch set. Don't take your eyes off that. Save it number 7.
Get him, Jamal. Stay on him, Pellick, stay on him. Left, left. Stay down, Jamal, hands up. Don't jump. Hey, swing your elbows. Get in the corner. Get in the corner. Cut to the basket. Get him, get him, get in front of him. Oh, back court. Double, 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 double. Oh my gosh.
Guys, go into the box right away.
Double, double. Go get it. Swing it, swing it. Swing it. Swing it. Get in the corner. Get in the corner, Ryan, for the shot. Get back, get back. Jamal! Hey! Are you sharing the same underwear with him? Travel, Javon. Get back, get back. Hey. Keep walking on it, Matthew. Hey, Jamal, we're not in a hurry. Hey, Jamal. So why'd you keep leaving him? Spread the floor, spread the floor. Get in the corner. Keep going, Ryan. Keep going. Get it, Ryan. By yourself. Left, left. Hands up, hands up. What? By yourself! Left, left, left! It's moving pick. Go, Ryan, go, 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 go! Rebound! Good hustle, Ryan. Third. I didn't think about it for a minute. Middle, Matthew, middle. Middle. Javon, middle. Get your man. By yourself, Sahil, by yourself. End of the third, 30-38. We're winning. End of the third, beginning of the fourth, 30-38. Get back, Matthew, get back! Stay on him, Pellick, stay on him! Help him, Ryan, help him, cut him off! Ryan, you gotta take the charge. Take it. You know how to do it, do it.
Gotta swing. Shoot it. Put it in.
Stop him! Go, Ryan, go, go! Stop, Seth! Hands! Hands up! Hands up! Hey, Matthew, he doesn't touch the ball. Good job, Pellick. Stop him, Ryan, stop him, stop him. Matthew, get on him. Hey, Javon, go middle. Get in the corner right here. Spread the floor. Rebound, rebound, Javon. Oh, offensive. Good job, Ryan. Good job. Oh, that's terrible. That's terrible. He was backing up the whole way. He was moving back. He ran into him. Good job, Ryan. Good job. Get in the corner, get in the corner. Hey, get your man! Get your man! Pellick, get him! Matthew, get him! He can shoot that! Go, Matthew, go! On the floor. Good job, Ryan. Good job, Pellick. Hey. Hey. Hey, Jerry, who's Sahil got? He got one? Sahil got one? Sahil got one? Right here. Good job, Javon.
Hey, we're still in pizza. We're still in pizza. Jamal, you got set. Rebound. Hey, you got no.
Get open, Sahil, get open.
Shoot it. There it is. There it is.
Time out!
Right past your face.
Jamal, get on him! It's all right, 1-on-1. Javon, make them.
Jamal, you got set. Got violation on the shoe.
Seven.
Make the shots. Who got fouled?
Bernardo.
Sahil, listen to me. Our defense is down low. Okay? Now on. Let's lead this. Let's go. Let's go, Renato. Let's go, Renato. Renato. You got no. Force your shot. That's what, guys. Come on. Please. Stay in front. Watch out! Rebound.
Travel, travel! Double, double, double! Double, double!
Look for Javon! Look for Javon! Play up! Put it in!
Right! Just swing it. Move the ball. Swing it. Go middle, go Seal, go to the basket, go to the basket. .48-41.